right? Yes, this is our 12th class, Pooja Gupta, 12th class of DBMS. So if you have not seen the remaining part, the previous session, then please go and watch the lesson, because we have clearly discussed so many topics of DBMS which are very very important for any exam. So please watch the lesson and please watch the recording. It is available in the playlist. Okay, I have created the playlist. There are already 11 video. Today's video will be available after some time, so please watch all the video. And welcome to Unified Study everyone. So if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update. And every day the live class is going on. So if you are not getting the notification, then you can ping me in this WhatsApp number. And there is also a Telegram group, that is Unified Study Computer Science is the name. So you can search the Telegram group. There is also the Telegram group. Hi Gautami. And this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I am an Unacademy educator also. You can follow me on Unacademy also. I am taking the class. Class will come. Serial schedule or serializable schedule. This is very 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 important. Most of the student, most of the learners, I know that I am also confused with the serial schedule and serializable schedule. Try to clear your concept here. What is serial schedule and what is serializable schedule? Okay, don't think that serial and serializable both are same. No, both are not same. Do you think that is serial and serializable is same? Do you think? Okay. So there are two types of scheduler, that is one is serial schedule and another is serializable schedule. Serial means it is serial, ये तो serial ही है. Both are different, yes, both are different. Serial means क्या है कि transaction 1 के बाद transaction 2 हो रहा है, that is from first one it is serial, right? But they do not seems to like synonyms, but in fact they are more antonyms. क्या है, आपको सुन के लग रहा है, आपको सुन के लगता है कि serial and serializable both are same, but actually both are totally different. Both are totally antonyms, both are totally different. Serial मतलब जो है और serializable मतलब जो है. अगर serial है north pole तो serializable है black south pole. If serial is white, then serializable is black. Okay, that is totally different. Like TV serial. So that are totally different. एक black है तो और एक white है. Totally different. There are no same thing, nothing. Okay. So in serial schedule, all the statement is same transaction are executed consecutively. Consecutively मतलब एक transaction पहले हो रहा है, then transaction 2, then transaction 3, then transaction 4. That is the serial schedule. Means this is your first, then this is your second, then this is third and this is fourth. Okay, that is the serial schedule. Means एक से बढ़कर episode 1, episode जैसे मनीष बोल रहे episode 1, then episode 2, then episode 3, that is serial. There is no problem. On the other hand, serializable schedule have two characteristics. Now what is serializable? There are two characteristics. One is they are non-serial schedule. Okay, serializable मतलब आप उसको serial कर सकते हो या नहीं. Serializable कहाँ से आ रहे? Is it possible to convert in serial schedule? मतलब that is actually not serial schedule. You are trying to make it serial and you are thinking that is it possible to make it serial? Okay, serializable means it is not serial. You are trying to make it serial and you are thinking that is it possible to serial. If it is possible that you can transfer it in serial schedule, then you can tell that it is serializable. Okay, then means actually what happened means actually they are parallelly, all the execution are doing parallelly, but we are trying to make it serial, means we are trying to write down, means think that T1, T2, T3, T4 everyone is doing parallelly. Everyone is doing their work parallelly at a same time, but you are trying to convert in serial, means you are trying to convert it that T1 will be first, then T2, then T3, then T4. If you are able to change it in serial schedule, then we are telling that it is serializable, means I am able to change this parallel schedule into serial schedule, then we can say that is serializable. This parallel schedule is possible to change in serial schedule, means it is serializable. Got it? Is it got it point? Means both are totally different. So from here it is more clear that what is serial schedule. Transaction execute fully, one at a time, no interleaving. No interleaving means T1 and T2 के बीच में कोई भी इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट नहीं है. नो इंटरलिविंग. इंटरलिविंग मीन्स क्या है, T1 एंड T2 के बीच में कोई भी इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट नहीं है. मतलब एक ही टाइम में T1 जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, व्हेन T1 इज स्टार्टिंग हिज वर्क, only after finishing of T1 T2 will start. Only T1 will finish his work, then only T2 will start. At the same time, maybe there is 15 minutes remaining of T1, but T2 will start. That is never happen. Okay, transaction execute fully, T1 will complete fully, then only T2 will start. And different order of execution may produce different final result. That is very important. In serial schedule, maybe you can think that is T1 and T2, what we are doing sometimes ago, that is in my account there was 10,000 and in my brother account I am taking there was 5,000. Okay, so if you think that I am sending 5,000 to my brother's account, okay, so this is my transaction 1. Transaction 1 is telling that I am sending money to my brother's account 5,000, and transaction 2 is my brother is withdraw. My brother is trying to withdraw. I think it is not visible. I am taking another new sheet. So I am taking two transactions, that is T1 and T2, and the scenario was in my account there was 10,000, and for this example I am taking in my brother's account there was 5,000. Okay. Now first transaction is that I am sending money. I am sending money to my brother account 5,000. Okay. And transaction 2 is that my brother is trying to withdraw. My brother is trying to withdraw money. I am taking 7,000. He is trying to withdraw money 7,000. So what will be happen? If the transaction 1 will done first, then transaction 2 will done. So what will be done? If the transaction 1 will done first, then in my brother account I am taking there was 5,000, right. So in after transaction 1 there will be in my brother account, what will be the account? There will be 5 plus 5, that is 10,000. Okay. So after that, if my brother is trying to access this 7,000, then he will be able to easily access this 7,000 because there is 10,000 amount available, right. So after that there will be 10,000 minus 7,000 means there will be 3,000, right. That will be final. But in same scenario, if you do the transaction T2 first then T1, then what will be happen? Is it possible? Is it possible if T2 first then T1, it will be possible or not? Tell me. Tell me. I need reply. If T2 will execute fast, then T1, then what will be happen? आप इसको सोचिए पूजा, ऑर्डर क्यों मैटर कर रहे हैं, यही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Why the order is mattering here? Why? Think. आप मेरे क्लास में जो भी आएंगे उसको मैं बोलूँगी प्रैक्टिकल वे से सोचिए. What will be the problem? प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा? Try to understand the problem. What will be the problem? If T2 will execute fast, means my brother is trying to withdraw. Means my brother is trying to withdraw 7,000. He is trying to withdraw 7,000, but in that time, in my brother account, how much money was there? There was only 5,000, right? Because T1 is not done, right? Because there is only 5,000, means it is insufficient, right? Because he is trying to get 7,000, but in his account 7,000 is not there. So how it will be possible? It will be not possible, means it will show him that is insufficient balance, right? It will show that is insufficient balance, right? So same thing, you see that same thing you are doing, but the order, because of the changing of order, the result is changed. Just changing, we are just changed the order, that is T1 after T2, and here we have done T2 after T1. So total scenario is changed, result is changed. That is the problem of serial schedule. In serial schedule, the ordering is very important. Okay, you cannot shift the order. Clear? That is very important for the serial schedule, that different order of execution may produce different final value. Clear? Now come to the serializable. Now what is serializable? Serializable means interleaved. Interleaved means क्या है? T1. Before finishing T1, T2 can start. T2 can start his execution before finishing T1. That is the interleaved. And equivalent to some serial schedule means it is not serial, but it is equivalent to some serial schedule. Okay, and equivalence does not mean ending up with same values as, right? Equivalence does not mean that ending up with same values. Okay, means ऐसा नहीं है equivalence मतलब same value ही आएगा, ठीक है, ये it is not guaranteed that. And equivalence cannot depend on initial value of the database item, right? Means what was your initial value, that is not depending upon that, and cannot be depend on value retained database and does not know the logic of the transaction. Means here why the problem was, here the problem was because what is the value, your transaction, what will be the order, it was depending on the value, because there was 5,000, that's why the problem was coming. But if there was 10,000, if at first time if there was 10,000, then there will be no problem, right? Means it is depending on value, but in serializable it will be not depend on value, it will be not depend on the value. Clear? Anytime you can make it serializable. Clear? And depends only on order of operation. It is depends on the order of operation. It is not depend on the value. It is depend on the operation. What are the operation? Means read and write. That are the operation. It is depending on this operation, means you are reading or you are writing. It is not depending on the value. Just now it was depending on the value, but when you are going for the serializable, you will think it is read operation or write operation. What operation you are doing? That operation is very much important for converting anything serializable. Okay. So now interleaved I have already discussed what is interleaved. Interleaved means second transaction is started before the first transaction once end. That is the meaning of interleaved. I have already discussed. And the goal, what is the goal? With the serial schedule the acid property is easily achieved. Okay. And where the parallelism and concurrency. Now come to the point of what are the problem. So what is serializable and what is serial? Is it clear to everyone? Serializable and serial is clear to everyone. Serial was like that. T1, then T2, then T3, then T4. It was directly serial. But serializable means it was actually parallel. It will be actually parallel. Now we will think according to there will be read x, then there will be write x, then there will be maybe read x, or there will be again write y, then read y. Like that way the transaction is going on. Now we will check, is it possible to make it like that, ordering T1, T2, T3 according to this operation. According to the operation read, write, read, according to the operation we will think, we have to decide it according to the operation. Can we write down, can we write this schedule, that is T1, T2, T3 means T1, if we will execute in this way, then what will be the result of this? The same result is coming from this and there will be no problem. That we have to discover, that we have to detect. Now we will learn how we can check any schedule is serializable or not. In the question, in all the examination, the question is asking, is the schedule serializable? They are asking that, right? Serializable. They are asking that, right? Means we are checking that only. Okay? We are checking if it is a parallel schedule and we have to check it is serializable or not. Right? So now the chalo. Okay. So now I am ending the session for today. Tomorrow we will meet and please like, share, subscribe करो. ठीक है, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो एंड ट्राई टू शेयर मोर एंड मोर. ठीक है, मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप लोग क्लास पे रेगुलर आओ. ट्राई टू कम एवरी डे, ट्राई टू, बिकॉज आई एम doing from my heart. Really I am taking the class from my heart, because you know it is not so easy to take everyday live class. It is not so easy. So please try to cooperate with me and please try to share with everyone so that free learners can get the advantage. Okay, so thank you. Thanks a lot for joining the session. Good night everyone. Meet you again tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.